Question number 3. Which of the following suggestions you choose to control African sleeping sickness disease? A. Control mosquitoes. B. Control termites. C. Control tsetse fly. D. Wash the vegetables well. For sure, he is now testing you about the disease transmitting agent, which is the tsetse fly. If you don't know that the tsetse fly is the fly that is transmitting the disease, you may not be able to answer the question properly. So the correct answer here is tsetse fly, because we may make a confusion between the tsetse fly and the mosquitoes that are transmitting another disease, which is the malaria. So it is here the tsetse fly, here this fly that is transmitting the African sleeping sickness disease.